Alright, so this is going over John Stewart's early Transcendentals 8th edition, section 1.1, question number 20. This problem basically deals with the issue of a oven. It's a pretty good question because most people intuitively know what happens with an oven. You put something in that's cold, it comes out much warmer. Therefore, we can safely say that the temperature increases. Hopefully that's not a shocker for anyone. And if you take something out of the oven and you just leave it on the counter for a long time, your food gets cold. So we can tell that when it goes into the oven, we should expect the temperature to go up. And when it's sitting on the counter, we should expect the temperature to go down. So we can tell that temperature is going to go up and down, which gives us a hint that it's probably going to be on the vertical axis. So we're going to start by trying to basically draw what looks like an L shape. And on the left-hand side, we put temperature, and we can do that in either Celsius or Fahrenheit. So I'm going to show you the graph here in a second. And with respect to the graph, I put time on the bottom. I chose to go from 0 to 90 degrees, just thinking that's a reasonable amount that maybe your food might heat up in an hour. So it starts at 0 degrees because that's pretty much the freezing temperature for a lot of stuff, and it goes up to 90 degrees in the first 60 minutes, and then over the next 2 hours it just kind of gradually cools. I assumed it would heat faster than it cools, which is why if you look at the first line, it's a little bit steeper than the second line when it's gradually decreasing. So the takeaway is that basically functions mimic, or function, I should say things in real life can be mimicked by functions. Functions can be graphed, that things that go up and down generally go on the vertical axis or the left side, and things that are dependent upon another function go on the bottom. So the current temperature of the pizza, you'll be able to tell is basically equivalent to however long it's been in the oven. So it's related to the time. Anyways, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want more help. If you have any specific problems you want help with, just leave the section and problem number in the comments.